Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we discussed the Social Security Code 2020. In this video, we will continue after that. Now let's understand the Occupational Safety, Health and Working Conditions Code 2020, also called the OSHWC Code. This code focuses mainly on workers' safety, health and dignity at the workplace. It ensures that every worker gets safe working conditions, clean drinking water, washrooms, rest areas and basic facilities, regulated working hours so workers are not overstrained. Free annual health checkups, especially for workers above 40 years and those in risky jobs. This code is extremely important because it protects workers from accidents, health risks, and unsafe work environments, especially in industries like mining, construction, factories and hazardous workplaces. Let's compare how the labor system has changed after these reforms. Here's a side-by-side view. Formal employment. Earlier, many workers had no appointment letters. There was no written proof of employment. Now, every worker receives an appointment letter, which ensures job security and transparency. Social Security. Before, only a few workers were covered under PF or ESIC. Gig and platform workers were excluded. Now, all workers get Social Security benefits, including PF, insurance, ESIC, even gig and platform workers. Minimum wages. Earlier, minimum wages applied only to selected industries. Many workers were underpaid. Now, minimum wages are guaranteed for all workers, and the national floor wage ensures a decent living standard. Preventive healthcare. Previously, employers had no obligation for health checkups. Now, workers above 40 years get free annual health checkups, promoting preventive healthcare. Timely payment of wages. Earlier, workers often received wages late. Now, timely payment of wages is mandatory, reducing stress and improving morale. Women participation. Women were restricted from night shifts and certain jobs. Now, they can work in all types of work, including night shifts, with consent and safety measures, promoting equality. Compliance burden. Earlier, employers had to deal with multiple registrations and licenses. Now, there is single registration, single license, and single return, simplifying compliance. The remaining important topics will be explained in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel.